Ever wonder why Grandma's grilled cheese tasted better than anything at a fancy restaurant? It's not magic, it's butter, heat, and timing. Let's recreate that golden, melty perfection in just 5 minutes. 2 slices of sourdough or white bread, 2 slices of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, garlic powder, tomato slices, or a dash of hot sauce. Spread butter on one side of each bread slice. Make sure it reaches the edges. This is the secret to that crisp, golden crunch. Place 1 slice of bread, butter side down, on a skillet over medium heat. Add the cheese on top, then cap it with the second slice, butter side up. Let it sizzle for 2–3 minutes, then carefully flip. Press it gently with a spatula for that diner-style crust. Grill another 2–3 minutes until golden brown and the cheese is oozing. Want to level it up? Add a slice of tomato, crispy bacon or caramelized onions before grilling, or try it with jalapeno jack for a spicy twist. If this grilled cheese made your mouth water, hit that like button, subscribe for more 5-minute comfort food recipes, and tell us in the comments, what's your ultimate grilled cheese combo?